Okay. This person put a lot of work into this. All right, so this person's a huge f***ing loser. Okay. All right. Now, this person likes collectibles. This person helped me out a ton on this one. So I'm noticing a lot of different things here. I'm noticing Pokemon, Hello Kitty, Has Been Hotel. There's the other one that's like the popular online comic. There's several. This person's locked in. They've got the Brat record there. Damn, they left every clue. A lot of people at Smosh have this vibe. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. This is just the vibe that a lot of people who work. Oh, surprise! A lot of people who work at YouTube have this vibe. This is kind of what you want out of someone who works on YouTube. But I'm gonna say Bailey. Nicole.
Whoa.
Damn. Wow. It's good to know that you can talk to Nicole about anything. All right.